Alright, what's up you guys? Today we are at the Vdara in Las Vegas and we're gonna do a room review of the Stable Studio Suite with a fountain view. So let's check it out. Today we're on the 25th floor. Our room number is 25008, and just excuse the mess, the room's already been a little lived in. So this is the door right away. The room number is lit up and the doorbell right here. Just didn't do anything. So right away in the entrance, you get almost a floor sitting mirror right here. Kind of check yourself out before you walk out. Then right here you have a little kitchenette. This is very handy. You get a microwave right up here, a bunch of cabinets. They're all empty. I'm assuming if you need anything for like cooking, because you do have an electric stove, they'll probably come and supply it. You have a mini bar fridge and then a personal fridge. Sorry, there's an old burrito and some pastries right there. But you get a sink over here too, a little trash can, just a bunch of random shelves. Everything's empty, but you know, you got some connections right here in case you might want to bring anything. So, this is what you see as soon as you come in. So you have a doorway into the suite right here. Right away you have a two-person little dining table. Very convenient, ice buckets, 2 glass cups. You have a couch right here, which is the sofa is a pull-out sofa. I love when suites have pull-out sofas. You got a little light right here also. Then right over here you have the bed. You got 2 little coffee tables, they do split. You got another light over here and a desk. Very little connectivity like on the desk, but I'm sure underneath there's some connection. All the rooms at the Vdara come with an iPad, which is pretty cool. You could check out from here, order room service, all that kind of stuff. The beds were actually really comfortable. You get also some reading lights by the bed too. You get like about a 55-inch TV, I would say, something like that. Then this is a bathroom over here. The bathroom's pretty nice. You have 2 closets, so you got this little mini closet in here, and it comes with a mirror. Pretty tall mirror right there, and then you get another closet right over here. And you got your standard luggage rack. And this room does come with a nice tub, like a soaking tub. It's not a jacuzzi. Still pretty nice to have. And a standing shower right here too. And your toilet area. You also get one of these like lit up vanity mirrors, you know. Then let me show you guys the curtains. I love the curtains in this room. They're really nice. Check this out. Alright guys, I'm gonna show you the curtains. So you have 2 buttons, one for the shade and one for the blackout curtain. So let's press both, and then you press up and you'll see them both come up. And check out this view right here. This is a fountain view, by the way. Look at this view. Beautiful view right here. You get a view of the Bellagio's pool, the Bellagio fountain, the Cosmopolitan, and the Cosmopolitan pool right over here. It's a very, very nice wide view, literally from one end to the suite all the way to the other, which is really nice. Also, the valet over here it's a daily charge. It's not complimentary. It used to be, but now it's I think around like 30 bucks. I think it's like $35, and that's daily. So just keep that in mind. There is no self parking in this hotel. There's no casino. They do have a pool though. They have a pool and a spa and some maybe like a cafe and a Starbucks. But other than that, that's pretty much it. It's very minimal. It is right across the street from the Cosmopolitan and the Aria, which is an easy walk, like 5-minute walk. But yeah, guys, I really hope you guys liked this video. I hope you guys found it informative. Please subscribe if you guys want to see like more similar videos to this. Please give this video a big like and comment if you guys want to see me make any other similar videos like this. And yeah, peace out, you guys.